Hi Bootyful people. So today I come at you with a grocery haul. So it has been Thanksgiving and Christmas. Alex and I haven't really gone grocery shopping in that time because who needs to? You have plenty of leftovers and all of that. Family coming over, bringing food. So we haven't really gone grocery shopping. So this is like one of our bigger grocery hauls. So I thought I would show you kind of what is in my refrigerator, maybe as like a prelude to what, I think that's the word for it, to what may come later, which is like a full day of eating for me. I'm not saying by any means that all of this stuff is healthy, because Alex and I, we don't track our macros, we don't really stick to a diet. We do what feels best for our body and what makes us feel the best. So here is my grocery haul, I guess. So I go to two different stores. I go to Winco and Trader Joe's. Those are my two favorite stores. Winco is my favorite because it has a bulk section, a bulk food section, so I like to go there, plus a lot of their stuff is a lot cheaper. And then Trader Joe's has all like the specialty stuff and like more on the healthy side stuff, so I like to go there. Plus like their freezer foods are really good, and yeah, they just have a lot of really good stuff at their store. Plus they carry a lot of stuff that Winco does not carry. So starting with the stuff from Trader Joe's, I went ahead and got Mandarin orange chicken. This is Alex's absolute favorite. He loves Panda Express, so this is like our substitute for that. We also, sorry, I don't really know what to do with that after I show you guys. So we also got chicken fried rice. They have a cauliflower version of this that's also really good, but they were out this time, so I went ahead and got this kind. We also have barbecue chicken teriyaki. This is another like substitute for Panda Express. Instead of going there and getting their teriyaki chicken, this one is very similar and really good. And then I got chicken piccata. This normally comes with 2 breasts. They just recently started making it 4, so it is like a family-sized dinner. It's really good, really fast. If you just need to throw something in the oven, it's actually pretty healthy. This is like one of our favorite things from Trader Joe's, or at least my favorite thing from Trader Joe's. Tofurkey Italian sausage. This is tofu sausage. Growing up, I was always vegetarian, so eating a lot of substitute meats was what I did when I was younger. These are one of the things that I just absolutely fell in love with, plus the macros on this are great. It has 30 grams of protein in each of these sausages, so they're really good. We like to just eat these for lunch or snack on them. They're really delicious. And then another amazing Trader Joe find is these black bean rotini pasta. In pasta, a lot of time you just get a lot of carbs and there's not a lot to pasta. This actually has 14 grams of protein in 3/4 of a cup. So you get protein and you get your fill for pasta and carbs. What else did I get from Trader Joe's? I'm going to try out this mango kombucha. The original makers of kombucha make one just like this, and you can't even taste that it tastes like kombucha, because I hate the taste of kombucha. We tried a lemonade one and it was disgusting. It tastes like kind of like sour lemon water. I don't know. It was really nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. I'm really excited. If I like it, I'll probably go out back and get more, because if you didn't know, kombucha is high in, what is it called? Probiotics. So it's a fermented drink, so it's really good for your like gut health and then bowel movements, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. And then the last thing I got, and this is one of our favorites, it's a garlic herb pizza dough. They make this at Winco, but they just make your classic pizza dough. This one adds a lot of flavor so that you don't have to put a lot of sauce on your pizza. So last time all we did was put pesto on our pizza, and this pizza dough was so delicious, and it's so easy to just throw stuff on top of this and put it in the oven. It's way better than your typical frozen pizza. Alrighty, so now for my Winco haul. Let's start with produce. So with produce, don't get very much at this time of year just because none of like the fruits are in season or anything's really, like tomatoes and avocados and stuff aren't really in season, so none of it's really that good. But I still get a thing of kale for kale smoothies. I got apples this time because the football game, the Alabama football game, is this Monday, and Alex and I like to eat this with blue cheese and honey. So Granny Smith apples. And then I got 3 cucumbers. This is my go-to snack, like just for anything like quick and easy. Cut up some cucumbers, put some salt and pepper on it, and it's really good. Plus, there's a lot of collagen and like water in cucumbers, so it's really good for you at the same time. And then mushrooms. We love mushrooms in pasta. We love mushrooms on steak. So can't live without the mushrooms. Next, in the frozen food section for produce, I went ahead and got bags of spinach. We don't eat enough spinach to buy it not frozen, or fresh, I guess you could say. We don't buy enough to eat it fresh, so we buy it frozen. And then I bought broccoli. Winco's good for carrying really big bags of like veggies and fruits and stuff like that, so that's why I love to shop at Winco. And going on with dairy now, I love cottage cheese as a little snack. Alex isn't much of a snacker unless it's like chips and crackers and stuff like that. I love cottage cheese. And then yogurt. I've never found a Greek yogurt that I like personally, but Greek yogurt, it's called Greek Gods Greek yogurt. I always call it Greek yogurt of the gods or something like that. Honey vanilla. You can't even tell that it's Greek yogurt because it doesn't have that thick texture, and it tastes really, really good. One of Alex's favorites is Kodiak waffles. They're protein waffles. They come in dark chocolate, honey vanilla, I think, or maybe it's just plain vanilla, and then blueberry chia. He likes the dark chocolate because they taste a lot like brownies. These waffles have 12 grams of protein in them. I think the blueberry chia only have like 8 grams of protein, and then their originals have 12 grams of protein. Those are really delicious, as well as their pancake mix, but these are easy for like on-the-go breakfast. Next must-have in our household is these hash browns, or these potatoes. They're just cut up like little potatoes. We're lazy. We don't want to prep potatoes. We just buy them pre-frozen, put them in a frying pan on a Saturday, Sunday morning, and cook each other breakfast with them. They're really good. They take on seasoning really well, so you can just add some garlic salt or some pepper, and these are really a delicious, quick, and easy breakfast. We have our cheese here. We like the cheddar jack cheese. Can't live without cheese. Some turkey meat. We don't eat a lot of sandwiches, so what kind of turkey meat or deli meat that we get doesn't really matter to us. We just take whatever is there. And then ground turkey, 85% lean, 15% fat. This isn't actually what we would prefer to eat. We don't really like Foster Farms, and we would rather it be leaner than fatter. But they stopped carrying Jenny-O in the big packs at Winco, which I think Jenny-O is like 93% lean, 7% fat. They stopped carrying it in the big packs, so we have to deal with this because that's all we got at that store. Obviously, as fitness people and the people that enjoy eating healthy and stuff, we can't live without boneless chicken. It's kind of a staple of our diet, more my diet than Alex's. He cooks chicken too dry a lot, so he kind of is over chicken, which I don't blame him. After eating it dry for many years, I would give up on chicken too. And then salsa. Bobby Salazar is our guy. We love Bobby Salazar salsa. Our friend Chris turned us on to this one. It's the green salsa, and it's hot. We love verde sauce, so we used to eat his original hot. This is even better. So if you are looking for a store-bought salsa that's really good, this is my favorite because I don't really like salsa other than my grandma's salsa. Alex has to have lemon juice. He puts this on literally everything. I hate citrus, so I don't partake in putting this on everything, but it's, yeah. Then we have our Prego spaghetti sauce. We have an Italian restaurant in our town that we really love to go to. It has creamy vodka sauce. We haven't really been able to find it at any store, but Prego just started making this creamy vodka sauce and Winco started carrying it. So this has been our go-to vodka sauce anytime we go in, because we hate marinara and Alfredo is a little too rich for us. So this is a kind of a good in-between of those two. Next we have our chicken sausage. We like Alfresco. This is our favorite brand of chicken sausage. They make smoked andouille. They have a apple one that's a little bit more sweet. I bought another one that's Asiago and roasted peppers. That's really good. They just have a classic garlic one that's really good. So if you're looking for a good chicken sausage, this is really good. We try to stay away from beef as much as we can. So if we can find turkey sausage or chicken sausage, that's more what we lean towards, just because beef really just does not do good things for us. Let's just say that. Beef and pork. Beef and pork are the two things that we try to stay away from. Obviously, here and there in our diet, when we eat a steak or something like that, we incorporate those into our diet. But for the most part, we try to stay away from those. Taco seasoning for our turkey meat. I like to make a turkey nacho dish that has hot taco seasoning and then turkey meat, black beans, and then you put it over chips and salsa. It's really good, really high in protein with the black beans and the turkey. And then also the taco seasoning just gives the turkey a flavor, because sometimes turkey meat can be a little on the drier side. Bacon. I don't eat a lot of bacon. We don't eat a lot of pork, so I don't really know what's good bacon. So don't roast us for buying cheap bacon. It was on sale and it tastes just fine. So, plus bacon is expensive. This is all of our canned goods. We don't need a lot of stuff in the can. Olives, green beans, black beans, cream of mushroom soup. My favorite to put over chicken to give it a little bit of flavor. Lastly, we have everything bread and chips. These are our new favorite chips right now. We love Smart Food popcorn. They have a low-calorie version that's only like 35 calories per cup or something like that. We normally get like the white cheddar one, or they have a kettle corn one. We just found these and it actually sounds like kind of a weird mix, but it's so good. Caramel and cheddar mix. Like, that sounds so weird, like Cheetos and caramel, but it's so delicious. It only comes in a smaller bag. I wish it came in the big one, but it's so good. In the bulk food section, I went ahead and got just a little bit of granola. I like to put this on top of my yogurt with fruit in the morning time for a really good quick breakfast. We bought some crostinis for this weekend to eat with our spinach artichoke dip that I'm going to make. And then some multigrain seed bread. Growing up, I've always eaten wheat bread, so it's just a staple in our diet is to eat wheat instead of white. It's a lot better for you. Winco has a really good bakery. Their bread, this multi-seed bread, is only $1.68, where you would try to get like a Sara Lee bread and it's almost $4. And this bread lasts forever and they bake it fresh every day, so that one's really good. If you ever have a Winco in your area, I would try their bakery because it is actually really good for breads. And then we get Sara Lee donuts. I've never eaten a donut in my life. I don't even know why that came to my head. Like, yes, they're the same shape, but like, do these look like donuts? Anyways, Sara Lee bagels, everything bagels. I love a good everything bagel with cream cheese, or like an egg sandwich on these everything bagels. Aside from Winco and Trader Joe's, I also stopped at Walmart and got some Metrix bars for Alex. Anyways, that is my grocery haul for today. Like I said, I might do a full day of eating at some point later on, but I hope that you found some new things in this grocery haul that you might want to try yourself. Trader Joe's is great for trying new things. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, Bootyful people.